Hi everyone, welcome to Family Law Assistance.
On the road.
On the road, again, you won't be surprised to hear.
Today we're in Merthyr Tydfil, lucky old us.
And heading down to Newport, my hometown. So today's video, I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about being in the right state of mind, which I know sounds a little tree-hugging hippie, but actually it makes more sense than you think. It's really, really easy, I get it, it's really easy to have a really negative state of mind. You are facing a very hostile ex, you're facing a very adversarial arena, I totally get it. But actually, you know what, there's far more that you can do than you realise. One of the things that I deal with daily, on a day-to-day basis with a lot of clients, is depression and anxiety, and I totally understand why. But I've got to say that there are a bajillion things that you can do, both for your state of mind and for your case, that will get you a much better result. And that's regardless, actually, with whether you have somebody like us by your side, or another McKenzie friend, or barrister, or solicitor. There is a heap of stuff that you can do on your own that will help your case.
I was going to say as well, as Michaela said, it's really adversarial. It can be really adversarial.
It is.
Now remember, the golden rule in a court hearing is whoever gives up first has lost, and a win is the other party walking away. Do you know, we do things like that. We always prepare for the worst case scenario. We always do everything we can so that the other side will want to settle, want to come to an agreement before you get in and see the judge. The other party's doing that to you as well. They want you to give up. If you say, do you know what, I can't cope with this, it's doing my head in, I'm too upset, I'm too angry, whatever, and you walk away, it's a win for them.
So the first thing is that nobody cares, okay?
Apart from you and us, obviously.
Obviously. But the court don't care. They see a bajillion amount of cases, faces, children, day in and day out. Professionals that assist in your case, they go home to their children, their family, they don't care either. So the first thing is, if you give up, the only person that's going to know you quit is you and your children. The second thing is, look, accept the fact that you're in this for the long haul. Strap yourself in, get yourself comfortable, and prepare yourself to be mentally and physically well enough to cope with
and the phrase you'll always hear is, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Do you know, we get no end of people that will come to us and say, well, I've got one court hearing and it'll be settled after that.
Yeah.
It can happen in theory,
so,
very rarely.
So the reality is that whether you're going through divorce or child matters, you're going to have quite a few court hearings. Probably there's going to be a bunch of paperwork in between those court hearings, so be prepared for get yourself ready for a bit of a long haul. Get yourself physically well, okay? Don't eat shit, I don't know it, okay? And drinking those 4 bottles of wine each night, trust me, you've got to deal with that hangover afterwards.
Yeah, if you can exercise, go out for walks, get fresh air. You know, I get it. I get it that you won't feel like it. I've been there, and I've sat there and done nothing and feel like doing nothing. And motivating yourself is a hard part of it. But hence, what we're talking to you now, it's all about getting yourself in the right state of mind. No one can do it but you.
Exactly. So my next tip as well is to have a plan. Can't emphasise how important that is. And like I said, it doesn't matter who you have by your side. Have a plan. You know your ex better than anybody. You will know whether launching a full-on court application is going to work and get them to shift or not. You are going to be the best judge of that.
Shot usually though, I have to say, it doesn't. We also get people sometimes will say, well, you know what, if I put this court application in, it'll be a shot across my ex's bowels and they'll give up and that'll be it. No, it won't. What usually happens is, if they haven't done already, they'll go and see a solicitor. Yeah,
exactly. So accept the fact, you know, people sometimes say to me that, oh, I don't want to upset the apple cart. Trust me, if you are watching this video, the apple cart has already upturned and the rotten apples are rolling down the road. So
yeah, ask yourself, if things are that bad, are they going to get worse if you put an application in? By the time people contact us, the answer is no.
Yeah.
Things can't get much worse.
Absolutely.
If it's a child application, if that's what you've come to us for, because your kids are not seeing you, and there's no contact, well, you've got nothing to lose, have you?
Absolutely. By the time you're watching this video, you're usually beyond the crossroads of, you're either going to rely on the good grace of your ex, which is probably dwindling or gone, or you're going to need to seek help from elsewhere. Okay, so prepare yourself strap yourself in, get yourself prepared. This is going to be for the long haul, probably. I'd I'd like to think that things are getting settled, done and dusted within the first hearing, but often they're not. Most times they're not. So get yourself physically well and get yourself a plan. Now the plan, most of the court work is always done way before you get into a courtroom. 95% of the work actually is already done before you hit the courtroom. So that's a lot of time in between court hearings to just sit twiddling your thumbs and drink 4 bottles of wine a night. Get yourself a plan. There's always a plan, whether you're in divorce, finance or child issues. There's always things that you can do. Statements to be prepared, but it's sleuthing that needs. So, for example, if you've got child issues, you might need to know their schooling. Trust me, there is always a plan. Get a plan.
I will say read, research,
Yeah.
join various forums, follow us, join Facebook groups, but also don't take anything as gospel. Do you know what? There's always the bloke down the pub, or more likely the woman on the Facebook group, and she knows best, and she would swear blind that her mate's sister's cousin's best friend's auntie went through it, and she definitely managed to change it. There were always exceptions to the rule.
Yeah.
Don't work on the principle you're going to be
Absolutely.
one. You might maybe, but don't work on that principle.
Absolutely. Don't get me wrong, the internet is a fantastic wealth of knowledge, but you know what it's like? If you have a sniffle, you start looking at Dr. Google, and by the time you know it, you've got full-blown cancer. So listen, take the advice that you see online with a pinch of salt, get a plan. Get your team together, get your team surrounded, pick your team, stick with your team, rely on your team, okay? Because you're not just in this alone, you're going to have a team around you, people that you're going to need to rely on, be it that friends, family, and obviously any legal advisors. So, like I said, prepare, get yourself a plan. There's absolutely a shit ton that you can do way before any court hearing.
But yeah, I think the real take home here is it's down to you. It's your state of mind. You know, we get people who say they want to give up. If they want to give up, we can't stop them.
Yeah.
Similarly, if there's someone who says, right, okay, I'm going to do what I'm going to do, come hell or high water, we can't stop them doing that either.
Be the expert in your case.
Yeah.
Be the expert. Research, have a plan, be the expert. So I think those are enough tips to be getting on with. I mean, I could seriously rabbit on forever.
No, you couldn't. You're the most quiet person I know. She never talks normally. This is the most she talks. I put the video in just so we can have a conversation.
He loves me, really. Anyway, guys, have a great day, and we'll speak to you soon.